Did you screw that on?
Oh, does it
You gotta
screw
screw it on. Freaking guy. Getting all packed up here. This is where we camped last night. We rolled in after dark, which was an experience. Left you guys with the burgers, fries, and malts that we had, and then we pedaled uphill for like an hour and a half. How long was that?
Like an hour and a half.
10 miles uphill both ways. We camped right at the Colorado Trail, and now we just dropped this thing straight down into Hot Springs, which is where we have our care package. So we get fresh chamois today, fresh jerseys, restocking food. It's a big day.
Also means our bikes get heavier.
That's true, our bikes do get heavier, but we need to have enough stuff because once we leave Hot Springs, we don't see civilization for 3 days. So this is like pretty critical push here. Try to get halfway through Sergeant's Mesa tonight. I don't really know. I don't know what's going on. I just follow these guys, so just pick up a few keywords here and there. Anyway, to Hot Springs. Oh. Taint is feeling raw this morning. Russell, Troy's tires flat-ish.
Pretty flat, like I can't ride it right now.
Is this the one that you set up?
Yeah.
Do you think like, because it took so long to set up, maybe not as much stands is in it now?
Because you lose them all.
Yeah, you just gotta make it down.
We'll just check in when we get down there and see. I mean, it should be fine now. Like yesterday, it was fine all day.
Yeah, probably like tape or lack of stands.
Yeah.
Made it to Mount Princeton Hot Springs. This is where our care package is, but our care package is in a room where they're having a meeting. So I guess we'll just have to wait and eat stuff. Oh, here it is. We're like cocaine smugglers, except we need more food. Got the goods. Time to reorganize and get back on the road. Dude, has a fresh Sammy ever felt so good? Those probably need burned. Fresh baggies, fresh cargo shorts. Now I just gotta put all this stuff in here. Everything's way heavier now. Mostly just food. It was nice kind of shedding weight over the last 3 days. Now we're back up to max capacity.
Fight and wait.
Now we're back up to fighting weight. This is our turn. On the road again. We're back on the road again. Look, no hands. No. Back at it. Boys, the good news is right now is the heaviest we'll be for the rest of the trip.
That's very encouraging.
Off like a herd of turtles, fellas. And we're off.
Some kind of awkward drops at the bottom here. Hey there. One more behind me. Those drops are kind of weird, huh? Straight. What? Whoa.
See that up there?
What, can you hear me?
That's where we're going. It's starting to rain. Rain jacket engaged. Spirits up. Here we go. We're up on the Monarch Crest. Troy's gonna take us down. Oh God, I'm blowing skis. This is living. Up here on the Monarch Crest Trail at 6:45 p.m. Oh, this is sick. Thanks, Raphael. What was it? Velo Casa bike shop? Velo Casa in Leadville. Pro tip on the spring. Try to get down. I'm blowing skis.